What's the meaning of beach volleyball? Beach volleyball. Beach volleyball.
Beach volleyball. Beach volleyball. Beach volleyball is a sport that is played on sand courts instead of traditional indoor courts. It is a variation of the popular indoor sport, and it has gained immense popularity as a beach activity, competitions, and a professional sport. The game is played by two teams of 2 players each, who try to score points by hitting the ball back and forth over a net without letting it touch the ground on their side of the court. It requires a combination of speed, agility, strength, and teamwork, and it is a fun and exciting way to stay active while enjoying the sun and beaches. Beach volleyball is a great way to stay fit and have fun with friends and family.